Crude oil and natural gas both have stayed bearish for the day. We can see crude oil is staying bearish and it has come closer towards $81 levels as we discussed in the Asia session update today, while natural gas is again reversed from 2.92. That was the only buying entry and it is precisely reversed from the same levels today. So now what to expect, which position you should take trading crude and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. It's a great support and motivation for me. And do press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day on crude oil and natural gas. With that, let's start. First, we'll look into crude followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Firstly, on the hourly charts, we can see this diminishing bearishness on the hourly charts trading outside Bollinger Bands. We may see a little pullback here. However, greater resistance on the upside is at 82 and only above 82 we can expect it to rise. So that is the only level where one can expect it to rise. However, 82.6 is the next hurdle which it needs to pass by in order to confirm the reversal here. Stochastic here is oversold. MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bearishness, and RSI is also hitting almost the bottom levels there. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation. See, it is trying to give a breakout lower lows which suggest 80.8 is the next support level and then $80 levels. Yes, it is trading in this bearish channel. The top of this channel is somewhere here at around 82, 82.5. Stochastic at hitting a bottom. MACD again divergent bearish, looking downwards. RSI is almost flat. And on the 3-hour, similar observation. However, increasing bearishness. Also look at the previous two candles. Lower lows, lower highs. Lows for this channel. See, once it stays below 81, you can again stay short and expect it to drop for 80.5 and $80 levels, which is going to be the next resistance. Now 82, 82.6 is the stronger resistance on the upside. Only and only if it breaks beyond 82, 82.5 levels, we can say that the bulls are trying to take over. Stochastic here is oversold. MACD is here is bearish. RSI is almost flat. And on the 4-hour chart, see, this was the first red candle. This is trading outside Bollinger Bands and hence trying to show a pullback. Where this candle closes is what we are going to look into. Any move above 82.6 is where the reversal confirmation is and where you can expect 83 and plus levels. See, stochastic here is looking down. MACD is extremely divergent, bearish. RSI is also hitting the bottom and coming to the day. Now on the daily charts, lower lows, lower highs. 81 is a great support. We have seen that, and below that we can expect 80.8, 80.5 and $80 levels. Yes, this is the next support, and below 80 still there is lot much of bearishness which can be expected, which might take it till towards 77 levels in the forthcoming sessions. Right now it is trying to come out of this. Right now it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. 80.8 is definitely a good support for the day. If you look at stochastic looking down, MACD, now see, this is important. MACD is trading with divergence. This is trading bearish, and see, this crossover has come or has happened at a higher level. See what has happened after this crossover can repeat here again, which calls for a greater pullback on the downside. RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, I will recommend now you to sell oil at 81.1 levels, where you can expect 80.8, 80.5 as the next support, and then below that it is going to hit $80 levels today itself. Below 80 is where more bearishness is going to prevail. We will look forward to 79, 78 zone in the nearest session, and then 77 is the ultimate support which we are going to look at. On the upside, you can buy today at 81.6, but then expect 82 and then 82.6. This is the zone where we have maximum resistance for oil placed today. 82.6 it needs to break past by in order to stay bullish. It has to break past by 82 and reverse, confirm reversal, and then 83 we will look forward to. So if you are buying at around 81.6, you have to stay cautious alert. Remember, it can drop again, it can reverse again, it can crash again, and hence you have to trade very safely, very cautiously on the upside. If you are taking a buy entry, remember you have to put a trailing stop loss and extreme caution to be exercised while taking the buy entries till towards 83 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. And yes, you can join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at net gas on the hourly charts. Precisely as we discussed, 2.92 provided it a resistance, and we have seen this reversal. But at the same time, if you look at net gas, see, you will find higher lows, higher highs. Hence, only now I will recommend you to sell if you see it trading below 2.82. Below 2.82 is where now the bears will take over And even if it stays below 2.82, remember one very important point, 2.76 is the support level which it needs to breach past, and only if it stays below 2.76 is where we can say net gas is going to continue with the bearish momentum. With that, let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent bearish looking downwards, RSI is also looking down. On the 2 hour charts, likewise we can see series of 3 red candles, and see this candle and this candle could be of same size. We suggest 2.82 should be a good support. And if you look at a stochastic, this is again back to oversold levels, MACD crossing over for sell, and RSI is again trying to trade bearish. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. It's still staying bearish. I will wait for 2.82 to be breached, and then 2.8 is a great support. 2.8 below 2.8 is also till 2.76. Remember, till 2.76 we can expect a reversal. Only below 2.76 is where we can see bears in net gas. Stochastic looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. MACD crossing over for sell. RSI is also trying to trade bearish. And on the 4 hour charts, remember, first bearish candle, second bearish candle is in form, which may try to pull the prices little down, where 2.8, 2.76 levels are going to be great support. Stochastic looking down, MACD is trying to trade with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is also trying to trade bearish. If you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. What has happened here is higher lows, higher highs. So we will be cautious of 2.82, below that 2.8, and then 2.76. These are the three levels, but only and only if net gas stays below 2.76 is where the bears will take over. Remember, till 2.76 it is not bearish, and again and again exercise reminding you of this caution till 2.76 levels. Stochastic looking down, MACD was trading with extreme bullishness. Now it is trying to converge a bit, which suggests this could be a red candle, and RSI is looking downward. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.8, below which you can still expect 2.8 and 2.76 as the greatest support. Below 2.76 is where the bears will take over in net gas, and then one can look forward to 2.7, 2.65 and below levels. Remember, there is a greater support on the downside till 2.7, 2.65 zone for natural gas. On the upside, one can buy today at 2.88 levels. Above 2.88 is where one can expect 2.92, and above 2.92, this time we may look forward to $3 levels, and this is going to hit in a quick succession. It is going to happen very fast. If it stays about 2.92, we may see it landing to $3 levels, and hence take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, buy at 2.88, sell at 2.82. Trade accordingly, and do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon such that you can stay tuned with the latest update, or join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.